Check this out, guys. In the past 2 days, I was able to make over $1,000 in pure profits. I haven't spent a single cent on traffic, tools, or anything like that, and all I did was just use my smartphone using this brand new application. Now, this brand new application is completely underground. Nobody on YouTube actually currently knows about this, and if you're watching this video right now, consider yourself lucky because I'm going to reveal this application to you completely for free. I'm going to show you how to sign up to this application and skip the entire approval process, which is one of the most difficult parts of actually getting accepted into this network. And I'm going to show you how to use this application and get paid over $15 every 10 minutes over and over again on complete autopilot using a brand new zero-cost traffic method. So you can literally set this up, sit back, relax, check your smartphone, and literally make money on autopilot just by doing what I'm going to show you in today's video. This is going to be completely done for you, and all I'm really asking in exchange is that you're going to smash the like on this video. I would really appreciate it. Let's get to 1,000 likes, and also comment down below and tell me how much money you are going to earn using this method once you're actually going to set it up. What's going on, guys? It's Erik here, and check this out. This is the payment that I received actually from this mobile application, from this brand new CPA mobile application. You can see I received $1,000 from CPA Viral LLC. That's their name they have on the website, but pretty much the name of the application is going to be revealed in just a few seconds. But listen, I'm going to show you how to use this brand new mobile application, which is available worldwide, to make over $15 every 10 minutes over and over again using zero-cost traffic. If I add it into the calculator, $15 every 10 minutes, that's 6 times per hour. So you are going to be making around $90 per hour, but this is going to be working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week on autopilot. So you don't really have to work at all. So for 1 hour, you can make like $90, but let's be conservative about this, and let's try to say like this is going to be working for you just 6 hours per day on average, okay? If you're going to multiply that by 6, that's over $540 you can actually make using this method completely for free without doing any work yourself, just by setting up what I'm going to provide you in this video. Okay, so the name of the website is called tapmob.io. This is a brand new CPA network. As you can see right here, this is their website. It's not really popular right now because what they really have is kind of like difficult approval process, but for you guys only who are watching the Incognito Money channel, what I was able to get is a special code that I will give you completely for free that's going to get you almost instantly approved, so you don't have to actually go through any sign up reviewable process at all. Now the network right here, the best part about this one is it will literally get you paid in 1 to 2 business days. So most networks out there, they are going to be paying you in like 7 days after you generate the money for the past week. So pretty much it's going to take like 2 weeks to actually sign up to a network and get money in your hands that you can actually spend. But using this network, you can literally sign up today, and in the next 2 days, 2 business days, get money that you can spend on whatever you want, realistically, not just generate it in your account, but actually spend it. So the website name is tapmob.io. Also, there's a lot of cool things about this one. It's completely untapped currently. It has unmatched payouts for a couple of different CPA offers, and you can use it to make thousands of dollars online. Now the thing is, as you can see, they are currently invite only. That's why it's not really popular as other like CPA Grip or stuff like that, but this one is much better. So all you really need to do is just sign up using the link that I provided, because again, it's invite only. Feel free to use other people's invite link, but I doubt you're going to find any at all. So click on the link in the video description, and you're going to find this link right here, which is going to look something like this: incognitomoney.com/tapmob. Then all you really need to do is just download the application to your phone. Then once you're going to have the application, just open it up, and I'm going to walk you through the sign up process so you can sign up very easily. Just click on the don't have an account, sign up, and what you want to do is just enter your first name, last name, username, email, phone, and invite code. You can see you are not going to get approved without invite code, but guys, just use 8964 as you can see on the desktop and just sign up for a free account. So for example, 8964, and then you want to click on the next, and then it's going to take you to this page, and you pretty much want to enter your password and confirm your password and click on next and sign up for an account. It's going to ask you for some social accounts. Now pretty much all you need to do is just select any of them. For example, like Instagram, just write something random. So for example, like random account, then write there that you have none followers, or just write the amount of followers that you currently have. Then select any kind of these theme and business and click on next. Then you want to select a messenger. Again, you can just enter your WhatsApp name or anything like that. So just add it right here. So add, I don't know, your WhatsApp name or something like that. So WhatsApp. And then how did you hear about us? How did you hear about us? I got recommended to join from Erik Cagi, and I misspelled my own name. Erik Cagi from Incognito Money YouTube channel. This is what you need to put in there, so they will know you are coming from me. They are going to see the referral code, and in 99% of the cases, they will just instantly approve you, even if you have no followers, no skills, no experience, and you are a complete beginner to making money online. And then just tell them that you are going to be using his methods, so my methods, and then additional info none, and then check these, and click on submit. This is how your brand new account is going to look like, guys. So as you can see, this is a brand new account. Now I didn't make the money on this account. I will show you how I made the money later on, but this is how your account is going to look like. You have the earnings, you have the rank, you have the team members, team commissions. Now what you want to do is click on the home section, go to your name on the top left, and then what you want to do is click on the payment method right here, click on the check, and then you want to click on this plus icon, and that's where you want to add either PayPal or you want to add a bank account number, just like I added for my Wise account. You can see it right here. So this is what I use to pretty much get my payments. I use either PayPal or Wise, but because Wise has very cheap currency conversion and no fees, that's why I use Wise. So just set it up right here, and then all you really need to do is just go to the offers right here, and you're going to see, guys, there are all these different CPA offers, and this is how much you are literally getting paid just when people either download these completely free applications. For example, this one, Ibotta, you are going to get paid $2.25 for every single completely free download. They don't have to sign up for any trial. They don't have to sign up for anything complicated. They just download this free application, and that's pretty much it. Then another email submit offers, which you see on CPA Grip, which you see on Max Bounty or other CPA networks. You can see iPhone 14 email submit is going to be paying you $6 for every single one of these countries. $6 for an email submit, and all they really need to do is just enter their email address, zip code, complete couple of simple questions, and you are going to get paid $6. Now guys, that's why this network is super powerful, because nobody really has access to this. It's private only, and it has these unmatched payouts. You can see these affiliate offers, CPA offers, usually go for like $2.50 maximum, not even $3. And right here you are getting paid $5, $5, $5, $5 for PlayStation 5 email submit, $5, Roblox $100, $20, $5, $5 for Amazon gift card. So any single video that I created on my channel where I was highlighting these CPA offers on CPA Grip, guys, when you're going to sign up for TapMap.io, use those, because you are literally getting paid more than 2 times the money. And these offers are a lot more higher converting because they are completely brand new. But then after talking about the Tap app, all you need to do is just download it, enter this code to actually get instantly approved, and then pick up any of these CPA offers. Now, what I want to show you right now is how to actually get paid $15 every single 10 minutes using a completely done for you zero-cost traffic source. First of all, what you want to do is you want to pick up 3 to 4 different CPA offers. So what you want to do is you want to click on any of these. So for example, I'm going to go for iPhone 13. I will click on it, and then this is going to be your CPA link. You can see it highlighted right here. It says sponsored me, like without a letters. It says sponsor me / some numbers / some numbers, and then you want to just copy this link, okay? And you want to put it, either you want to do this method on your smartphone, or you just want to send it to your desktop using like Messenger, using like email, or you can literally just rewrite it. So hold your phone just like this and rewrite the affiliate link just like this. This is the affiliate link, and what you want to do is you want to pick up 3 to 4 of them, different apps or for different CPA offers. just like the iPhone, guys. Okay, now for the sake of the video, I don't want to make it too long. I will just use this one multiple times. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it multiple times. Okay, so just like this. So you want to have like 3 to 4 of these different CPA offers right here. Now here's the next thing. What you want to do is you want to click on again the document that I put there into video description, and this is where you're going to get access to all of those done for you copy and paste scripts. And right now I want to show you how to actually use them to make money on complete autopilot. What you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to search for Craigslist New York, for example, okay, or any other huge city, town, or in the United States, in Canada, in United Kingdom, any of the countries that are actually allowed to get these CPA offers from TapMap. Then you want to click on it and you are going to be taken to the page. Then go right here where it says create a posting, click on create a posting, and all you really need to do is just again select any of these. Now you cannot post in all of these categories at once, but you can do it multiple times. So first you're going to post in Manhattan, then Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, etc, etc. So what I'm going to select is like Queens, for example. Then what you want to do is select the gig offered. So what type of posting is this? You want to select gig offered, click on it, and then pretty much I want to hire someone. Okay, I want to hire someone, and it's going to take you to this page. Now it says $10 per post, but don't worry about it. I will show you also completely free options. But listen, $10 per post, you literally need to get just 2 of these conversions right from the app, and it's already paid for it. Anything after that is going to be profit. And the thing is, nobody's going to use Craigslist actually because you need to pay like $10, but I also will show you completely free options, guys. Don't worry. All you really need to do again is select any of these categories, creative gigs, and then posting title and description and postal code. So what you want to do again, click on the link in the video description and literally just copy and paste this job offering, guys. This converts like crazy, and I will tell you exactly why, or you can just go through this and you're going to see exactly why it converts really crazy. It's pretty much a job offering where people need to test out different applications, and these applications are actually going to be your CPA offers from TapMap. Now nobody has access to them, they are completely exclusive, so the method you are going to be doing is completely non-saturated. Literally nobody's doing this, guys. Okay, the network is completely brand new, the offers are completely brand new, so the faster you're going to use this, the more money you're going to be making. I don't even know why I'm sharing this video, because I could be doing this myself, but again, I want to help you make money online. I already made like $1,000 on that account, so might as well make even more later on. So this is what you want to just copy and paste, and you can see requirements: smartphone, basic knowledge of downloading apps, and valid email address, because they need to do the zip submits as well. Please messages to get started right away. Then you enter also postal code, so something like this, and then pretty much you want to enter a pay, and you want to compensation. You want to put there like 5, or you can put there like 10, or you can put there like 15, something, some compensation for a test. So for example, $10 for entry test. Okay, and then this is where you're going to put your email address. Okay, right here, contact information. This is where you want to put your Gmail address. Then what you want to do to make this method completely automated, you want to go to your Gmail address just like this, click on this settings icon right here, click on see all settings, then go to the general tab, and you want to scroll all the way down, and you want to use this vacation responder. Again, guys, for this I have a copy and paste script for this as well, so you can just copy and paste it. Now the subject, just put there reply work from home jobs or something similar to this one, but the body is the important part because they are going to be expecting a reply, so they don't really care. You just want to copy and paste this entire body, but make sure you're going to change up your affiliate links, guys. Okay, so it says pretty much, hey, thanks for sending us a message. There are still few positions open. Before we get started working together, we require a short test to see if you are going to qualify. This test is going to be compensated by, and you want to compensate it. Okay, you don't want to just do it for free, because then you are literally just forcing people to pretty much complete these offers without anything in return. So put it like $5 to $10. Okay, and when they are going to complete all these offers, you are making more money than you are actually spending on these guys. So it's completely just a win-win situation. To your PayPal account if you complete it successfully, and also it makes it seem more legit because you're actually paying for them taking action. Please download these free apps, sign up, and screenshot what you see after you do this. App number 1, app number 2, app number 3, and this is where you simply just copy and paste your affiliate links just like this, and you are going to add them right here. Okay, now obviously every single affiliate link should be for a different mobile app from TapMap, but I don't really want to make this video too long, so I'm going to use the same exact one. And then also sign up to these websites on your smartphone and screenshot what you see after you do this. And this is where you're going to put in your CPA offers, like email submits, okay? Because on TapMap there are different apps that you are going to get paid for downloading, but also CPA offers that are like email submits. So 5, 10, 15, so that's like $30 you can actually make per person, and you really just need like 10, 20 per day, and that's more than $500 per day that you're going to be making. Then once completed, send us the details as a reply to this email, as well as with your PayPal email address. Thank you, best regards, and then you want to put there your name, Erik Cagi, for example, and then click on save changes. So it's actually going to be looking just like this, which means the vacation autoresponder is actually working. So all you need to do is just post this part on Craigslist and then put this one in your email address. And now for Craigslist, you really just need to pay like $10, but there are also free options to actually do this. Now, one of the free options is just to post it on Facebook. Just go to Facebook and search for Work From Home United States, then go to the groups, and check this out. There's so many groups right here you could actually use to post it on. Okay, so work from home group, remote positions, work from home moms, work from home business opportunities, work from home moms and dads. There's so many people right here just from United States. You want to make sure you are searching for United States, Canada, or United Kingdom. Otherwise, these offers are not going to convert. And also there's one more traffic source, guys. So Craigslist, Facebook, and one more that I want to share with you that is again completely free. That is quickadd.com. Now this website is already saturated with affiliate offers, but with the offers that you are going to be posting, because they are exclusive, nobody has access to them. Which means if you're going to get started right now, you are going to make the most amount of money possible, and all you need to do is just sign up for free, use the code, get approved, and then use the copy and paste script. Okay guys, now that's the method. Now I'm going to be completely honest, the method that I just showed you is a very simple beginners friendly method to make like $15 every single day, but I did not use this method to actually get paid these $1,000 from TapMap. Now I have a question for you. The method that I used is a little bit more advanced, but it's also completely for free. So if you're going to get 1,000 likes on this video, I'm going to use the same exact method I used to generate these $1,000 on the brand new account that I just created for this video to show you how to sign up and show you how it's going to work. And I'm going to record these results live on my phone. All you really need to do for this is just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment down below $1,000 challenge. If you are getting enough comments, I know you are guys interested to see this exact method. It's completely free, by the way, that you can actually use with the TapMap to make this amount of money just like this. And I will record the results live on my phone as well. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And for more videos, check out any of them that are going to be showing up on the screen. And I'm going to see you instead of them. Bye for now.